Good morning, adventurers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm just waking up and we stayed at a beautiful campsite, which had a little bit of confusion to start off the night, but it turned out okay. We talked to some other people who were staying here, and it turned out that we could, in fact, stay at this site. Now, the reason I say that is because there's this sign that gives off the impression that you can't stay here, but there's another one that says you can. And so it was a little bit weird, and we found the site on iOverlander, so we just decided to go ahead and talk to the other people who were camping here, and come to find out the newer sign is the one actually down by the boat ramp. So it worked out for us. But after we settled in last night, it was really nice. We had a campfire, we cooked a meal, everyone had just a really good time, and we enjoyed each other's company, and it was pretty fabulous. But that's just how we're starting off our day. We have so much more to go, and it's getting to be the weekend, so we need to figure out a few things. Yesterday was kind of a learning curve. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, go check out my last day in the life video and it'll make way more sense. Let's just say we started out at one place with one idea and it turned into a pivot, followed by a pivot, followed by a pivot. And then we ended up here, which almost turned into another pivot because of that sign. But altogether, I am just waking up. I'm getting things downloaded. We've gone through a time change, so now we're on the East Coast. And yeah, I don't know where this day's gonna go. Okay, out of my van, having a little fruit smoothie this morning. We figured out where we're going, and now it's time for us to hit the road. You ready, Dee?
I am ready.
What about you, Riley? Are you ready?
Let's go.
Woo! So our goal for the day is to go to a place called Rock City, and that place looks so interesting that it's really piqued my interest. But more so it piqued Riley's interest and Dee's because they have this cool fairy garden there, but you can also see into 7 states. So I am crossing my fingers that this drive doesn't take forever. We're off and it's about 1 hour and 23 minutes away from where we camped last night. This should be fun. To Rock City, and we're all going over to the entrance now. We just took some interesting little gnome pictures. Check this out. I make a pretty fun gnome with the floof today. I'm going to show you a few of the details of Rock City, but as always, go check out the next video. You'll see it all. Rainy and crazy, and it was so fun. I loved every minute of Rock City and I highly recommend it. I had so much fun just wandering around, and then I was there with Dee and Riley, so how could you not have fun? We sat out on this beautiful overlook and had just some little snacks and just took in everything, and wow. I would say Tennessee has a lot to offer because that's where we started off earlier, but we actually ended up in Georgia for this one, and we're going to actually be going back to Tennessee, then back to Georgia, then back to Tennessee again just to get to our campsite. We found a really nice park. It's Marion County Park, and we're going to be staying there for tonight. It's $15 a night for a permanent site, $25 for full hookups, but first we got to get some gas. Never gonna pass up on a good place to dump my trash either. So yeah, I'm kind of excited. Not to mention the place that we're staying tonight has showers, flushing bathrooms, and it's lakeside. So in the morning we'll wake up and it'll be just beautiful. I'm hoping. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. We arrived and we have a site. And we're in a tent camping site, so we don't have any amenities here, but that's okay. It's bright enough with the rain that it hurts my eyes, but at the same time, I'm trying not to put my sunglasses on again. But now we're just trying to figure out how to line up so we can be a bit more flat. Where I am, I'm okay because I kind of wedged in here, but Riley and Dee are trying to figure out their spacing, and so they're gonna get it all figured out. Meantime, this has been interesting, to say the least. We've had a really good time so far, and I'm really enjoying the company of these two, but this side is gonna be really nice. It does have some road noise because the tent camping side faces the major road, but so does the RV side. But it's also just out here and giving us life right now. Green grass, beautiful water, and a gentle rain. Okay, now that we've made it into Dee's van for the evening, we're just gonna enjoy some snacks and just kind of wind down because it is raining. So, I guess this is it for us. This is gonna be a peaceful night. Good morning, adventurers. Oh my goodness, I slept so well last night, but now I'm up. It's not raining, so that's nice. But I need to go take a shower. So overall, was this campground a good place to stay? Yeah, definitely. They also have a lock on the bathroom so that you have a code that you have to punch, so I felt nice and safe. There are some other interesting things here that we didn't get to check out yesterday. But overall, it was $15. Totally worth it. I'm kind of trying to wake up still. I look pretty sleepy. But overall, I think that this was a good wayward point. Now, I think that today we're going to just do an office day because all of us need to do some editing, but I'm not sure where that's going to be. The closest Starbucks that I found is not a real Starbucks. We may have to double back to find a real Starbucks, so I guess we'll see where we end up. Remember, guys, we're not here for a long time, but we are here for a good time. I'm going to have a good time with my friends today, and I'll share as much as I can, but I think that if you're in this part of Tennessee/Georgia, you should check out Lookout Mountain, which we did yesterday. And while you're in the area, check out the Marion County Park. Not too bad. Till next time, guys. Bye.